guys are so funny. Watching me here in my YouTube videos. Oh, God. Okay. This is my after Zach's videos. My dad, he told me to stop working at Zach's because he said I was gonna gain a little weight, but I thought that was funny. And then I was talking to my dad, and I said, hey, you just hate me because I'm fat. Oh. But you know what? I'm starting this new Subway diet. My friend Michelle eats Subway every single day of her life. So I thought maybe I could eat it with her and we could talk about fun things. Yeah. Anyways, I'm signing off. Word to your mother, G.